head's doing. Are you jumping too, Rocco? What are you two silly heads doing? Are you gonna jump, Rocco? Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Is that Rocco's blankie? Whoa! Who is that little guy? Are you jumping like your sister was? My two sweet babies. Hey, Rocco. Rocco, show Mama how you can wave. Rock. You're too distracted, huh? Scar, you gotta be careful with your brother, okay? Rocco. Rocco. There you go. Do it again. Rocco, wave. You got a little one. Boom. Boom. Well, careful, Scar. No more running if he's sitting down there, okay? Because he's kind of in the way. You telling him to sit down? Take your binky out so he can understand you. Whoa! He rolled over. All right. Okay. Bye, Rocco. Bye. I love you. Good waving. You know, don't pick him up. Oh, you want me to pick him up? Okay. Bye, guys.